Hey everybody, back at you with another video. Nate here, Go Karts Gone Fishing. And this will be part 2 of my 212 build, sponsored by Twisted V Twin Garage. You guys must go check this guy out. So in the last video, I was waiting on parts, and I'll have to look at my computer to see what I got recorded for, because it's hard to remember, it's been a while. But I have a ported head here with, I believe these are, I don't know, they might be like 42-pound valve springs or something, dual, 2 springs in there, ported and polished, oversized valves, non-Hemi head, and I also got this monster of a carburetor, Mikuni. I can't remember, I think it's a 20, 24, 28, something like that. I can't remember how many millimeter it is, but it is just beautiful. Came with this nice air filter. This was all paid for by Twisted V Twin Garage. He got me the billet valve cover, and yeah, all this stuff, this whole motor build was sponsored by Twisted V Twin Garage. So please go check them out. I'll leave a link in the description. Thank you so much, Twisted V Twin. You are the man. So I just had to order these, I think they're 3-to-1 rocker arms. That's what I could afford. They're you wouldn't believe they have rocker arms that are like 250 bucks. I mean, it's insane how much money you can put into these motors. But these are non-Hemi. This is a Hemi motor with a non-Hemi head that's been shaved. Also, by the way, you can tell by how close these fins are together right here how much has been shaved off the head. So obviously the stock push rods would not fit from a Hemi or a non-Hemi. So I ordered some titanium cut to length push rods. They come with, I'm sorry about my camera, folks, I don't know why it's goofing out, but with the inserts once you cut them, and these are just a little bit too long, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and try to cut them just a little bit shorter than the non-Hemi and try them, because I do have a little bit of adjustment, you know, in these rocker arms. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these cut down a little shorter than these and knock these inserts in and put them back in the motor and see if I can get everything working correctly. So that's pretty much the only thing I have left to do with this motor, is get these push rods in, and it should be a running motor. So yeah, sorry for the wait, but it's coming together finally. Alright, so I put all the push rods on my level there, and it kind of helps them stick together. And I'm just going to go a wee, maybe a 1/8 inch shorter, and make a mark on my titanium ones with my little fine point Sharpie. And I'm going to cut them. I'll show you how I'm going to cut them. I don't know if it's going to work, but I'm going to try it. Alright, so I don't recommend you do it this way. This is just how I'm going to do it. I got paper towel wrapped around the end, got my mark, got some zip ties on the drill, and I got my grinder with a cutting wheel. So this is just how I'm going to do it. You can do it however. If you got one of those copper pipe cutters, I think that'll work. But yeah, so I'm going to cut them up. I'm going to be honest with you guys, that did not work. I got it in a vise. I'm just going to cut it off like that. It started walking around on me. Just not a good idea. Don't do it. That's how they're going to end up. Make sure that you clean these ends up really good. And you want to take like a real small, I want to say like a drill bit, and clean out the inside. Maybe do it by hand. A little bit of fine sandpaper around the edges, get the burrs off. There we go. 2 short titanium push rods. Time to put it back together. Starting to pull fuel. Whew. Alright, you guys just saw it. She runs. Everything was falling off the shelves, and I'm pretty sure it was starving for fuel because I didn't have a vent in the gas tank, that Cars and Cameras gas tank I made. But now I got the fuel pump, you know, for it. I just got to find some hose to run to here and whatnot. But only thing keeping me now is a clutch, because I burnt up my old clutch, so I'm gonna have to save my pennies. But I also got this side piece from my brother, and thinking about putting it on there some way, somehow. It's pretty beat up, but it's better than what I got, which is nothing on this side. It's got a little curve to it, looks pretty cool. But I'm gonna slap the motor on there now because I know she runs, and we can fine tune it when we get the clutch or whatever. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Twisted V Twin Garage. We will be sending this thing soon. Also, these tires were bought by Twisted V Twin Garage as well, so go check them out. Thanks for watching.